Alright, this is modifications I've done to a Minn Kota trolling motor to make it more weedless. I took a 1/2 inch bar of aluminum, had it welded to a flat piece of aluminum. I cut it, bolted it to the skeg. That really helps weeds deflect under my prop and not get hung up in this area. The Ninja blade, if you don't do anything else, you definitely want one of those. It really helps cut off anything that wraps around the prop. This is an 80-pound trolling motor. It's got plenty of torque to spin through whatever. This helps me go through a lot quieter. As you can see, my nose cone's angled up some. This helps me run the trolling motor more shallow in thick vegetation without the prop blowing out of the water. It does when I turn it sharp. That's really not a problem to me. The way I've got it angled up is there's this transducer shield and saver wedge block, and it really helps. So there's my setup to make a trolling motor more weedless. If anybody's got any better or different suggestions, let me know.